back. It's Sunday and I'm still working with
Three and a half centimeter material.
Yeah, I keep it the same 3 and then I have to fill it out from the back side. Actually here I have to put a filler with this wood. So the length is exactly 86. Alright my friends, I'm back. And today I'm going to retrofit the inner part, which you all seen how I teared it down with a chainsaw. Brutal. And yeah, I have been cutting up this 86.3 centimeter piece right now. I have been sawing this 3 where the roof balks will fit into, and I will chop them off. You will see that in a minute. It's a lovely evening, 7 o'clock, sun is still up here in Sweden. You know, we have this Nordic light here, so it's pretty much light all the 24-hour clock. Yeah, alright, let's start. You see here, it's a bit angled. Since the part that's going in here is a bit angled. To trim it with a knife. Yeah, that'll do. Voila, it's done. Let's see how it looks inside. It's not totally aligned. It should be like this. Distance piece, branch going out, so it's maybe here. Yeah, that will do. Every time I have to move up from the swimming leather up here to da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. See, up and inside here, and here we are, back in the garage. See? It's a bit, it's like 1 millimeter or too long. Then this piece here is a bit too tight. So just mark it here to remove some jank off piece here, maybe a millimeter or so. It's good that it's tight. Okay. Easter must. Special drink here in Sweden. But it has been standing here now since Easter, and it's June now, so I guess it's not so nice. So I will cut up this corner here. All right. So let's try it again. No cutting. Just doing it right on. Oh, some distance there. Perfect. Okay, I'm satisfied. That's the first piece. Have to resize now because it's too small, the other one. It's good to not have spikes under your feet when you work. Yeah, so let's see how well this reproduction piece actually ends up here. Yeah, I think that will do it. We'll go down to the boat and try it. But first we have to chop off the... Maybe you remember I was gluing a couple of pieces together. And here they are. Oh, yeah, there we have it. Okay, now this roof board. I just cut it like this. So this is going under the balks, and I have been manufactured that one. This one comes in there. Now the final one, the big one. Let's see how that fits. Not too good, maybe. Yeah. I have to cut off that corner. So let's see. It's like a puzzle. There are can see there, it's not bent. This part is too straight, so exactly here is the bend, and actually on the outskirt it's quite straight, so the bend is just in the end here, just the gooch. I missed that. Not good, not good. I think I stop for the day. This is very tricky, I must say. More tricky than I even thought it could be. So I have to go back to the sketchboard and remake this one. So the big piece which I made didn't quite fit. I was a bit cutting off too much here actually, so I could actually have saved that, but now I have to glue this part in the opposite direction, because that's also making an extra curve on it. And also this piece go on like that. So let's see. Poop bag for my dash hand. This little piece go on here. And this piece goes like that. Voila, let it dry for the night. So I've been working with that. Here I had a very big chunk of paint that was loosened from the area. So this will be treated once more with a spar. But yeah, it's getting there, it's getting there. I have to sand it again and see if I'm actually going somewhere. We will get there soon, I hope. Alrighty. Thumbs up with a broken thumb. Yeah. I actually saw my finger yesterday. When I made an oak distance to the bath platform. You see this bath platform here, it was actually too low, so when I accelerated with the boat, it's not a fast boat of course, but still it's changing in pitch, so when you put on pressure with the propeller in the back, it's extremely cutting and carving and fitting, I have now finally got to the point where I'm going to glue and fixture all this. Not glued and screwed yet, so they are still, because I'm fitting in this marine plywood fittings, and it has been a lot of jacking and carving. Some lights, thank you. So this is really nervous right now because now everything has to fit. It should have been a bit curved actually, because here is the bend from the widest part into the front of the boat, so yeah, I think I'm ready. Or actually I'm not ready, but I must be ready because tomorrow I have to put the boat in the water because it's the last day which the crane will operate, so I'm a bit in a stress right now. Okay, let's do it. I'm unleashing the glue. Wow. Little keel in here would be perfect. Actually, cut here. And jerk in here, so it's to be. Cut it to a bit shorter. It's gonna be robust, yeah. Yep. So I need something to hold this up. Not that too short. 78.5. Okay.
That's good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we are on the other side, my friends. So here is the same procedure. We need to fasten this. You see here, very special parts made here. And some curving also. Interesting. It's the angles. It's the angles. That's nice. Let's put some glue on this one. Hello. Now when I have glued this part, the boat is actually ready for putting into sea tomorrow, except for some minor fixing that needs to be done. Bunch of different sizes and length, a bit shorter, a bit longer. Okay, my friends, so finally everything is tightened, glued, and now it's only waiting a couple of hours to let it dry out and harden. Beautiful day, and the boat is almost there to be seasided.